At Parker, we understand that keeping your manufacturing operations running smoothly is crucial. That's why Parker's Certified Distribution Network is here to help. As well as repair and maintenance services, they provide complete system design and installation. Using Parker's quality components to boost your productivity and efficiency while reducing downtime. With a comprehensive understanding of a vast range of industries and technologies, our distributors are equipped with the knowledge and technical proficiency to offer you the best solutions tailored to your specific needs. Through rigorous training programs, our distributors gain in-depth knowledge of Parker products, ensuring they can provide accurate information and robust support. From troubleshooting issues to optimizing system performance, our distributors are your trusted partners in your maintenance, repair, and operational needs. With one supplier, you reduce the complexity of design, installation, and maintenance. You can trust our distributors to deliver the best solutions. Backed by Parker's product warranty and supported by our engineering team, Parker's Certified Distribution Network, we're here to help.